everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another self-isolation gardening video. Yay! So I had quite a few messages from people on the last video that they find this video relaxing and now they want to start a little self-isolation garden. So I thought I would make a second video, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to see about fixing the outside of this porch. As I mentioned in last week's video, I'm in my sort of family porch. Outside there is a bed just under the window and it's looking a bit neglected. There's weeds, there's moss, it's looking a bit scruffy and uneven. So I think I will clean that out, level it out and plant some of the seeds that we didn't plant last week. The second thing I'd like to do today is there's a pot of strawberries out in the garden. It's also looking pretty neglected. It's covered in dead leaves and things like that, which kind of tends to block the light on the other leaves that are green and trying to, you know, grow. So I'm going to get the strawberry pot, kind of tidy it up a bit, and I think I'm going to bring it inside the porch where it's a bit warmer, and hopefully we'll get some strawberries in about a month or so. But first of all, I've got a couple of little updates for you guys. The first one is that Dad found me a smaller watering can so that I hopefully won't spill as much water. As you remember in last week's video, I could not control the big watering can, so I've got a little baby one because I'm a little baby gardener. I'm just beginning. So this is much more, hopefully, we'll see. I'll probably spill it everywhere anyway. And also, I'm sure you probably want a little update on my seeds from last week. So in all honesty, my seeds have not grown yet, because I only planted them on Saturday, but I did want to show you guys this. So this is called a propagator, and inside a propagator, it's kind of where you keep little baby seedlings nice and toasty warm. As you can see, my dad has some tomatoes on the go here. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little baby tomatoes. These are the guys I planted last week, or little lamb's lettuce, dill, parsley, chives and things like that. And my dad has also planted ginger in this big container too. So this is where we're keeping the seeds now. I didn't realize we had this, so that's going to be nice, and it keeps it at a steady 23 degrees or so, so they're going to be nice and warm and cozy, and hopefully it will help them grow a little bit faster. You can kind of see a little bit behind me, but the sort of front porch area is quite messy, so I'm thinking of gradually cleaning it up over the next couple of weeks. There's actually a pizza oven. Hang on, I'll show you the pizza oven. So I'm trying not to fall over because there's lots of plant pots and things in front of me. But as you can see, my dad made this pizza oven, which is really cool, and it actually works. We've made pizza in it before, but there's also a lot of old flower beds, plants, trees, and things in the way. The inside of this is disgusting. So if you would like me to make a video about cleaning this out and making pizza in it, let me know, because who doesn't like pizza? turned out quite well. It's quite small and cute and a lot cleaner now. So we'll see if the radishes and leeks start to grow in a few weeks time. So I'll keep you updated on that. Now we're going to go on to my second job that I've given myself today. And that's fixing up this strawberry planter, which you just saw me heave over here because it was just so heavy. So if we can see it here. You can see it's like a multi-level planter. It's got all these little strawberry areas where things can grow out of it, but it's kind of just been sitting in the corner of the garden and just looks a bit crap now, so we're going to tidy that up together. So that's all the self-isolation gardening I have for today. So thank you so much for watching it. If you liked it, please give it a like and subscribe. And if you would like to see more of this kind of video, do send me a message on Instagram or comment below. And if you have any suggestions of things you would like me to plant or garden or fix or anything like that, also feel free to let me know. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.